We're gonna start with about 7 cups of egg noodles that are already cooked according to the package instructions. Get that kind of broken up in there. Now that you have that in there, we're gonna add 2 jars of 14-ounce pizza sauce. This is the Pizza Lovers Casserole. Every bit counts. All right. Now that we got that in there, we're gonna take about a pound, a little more than a pound of Italian sausage that we're gonna throw in here. Oh man, it smells good. Okay, we're gonna mix all these ingredients together. It's in the name. All right, so we got a 13 by 9 greased baking dish right here. So we're gonna take half of this mixture, about half of it, to put it on the bottom layer. All right, that's about half. Kind of smooth it over the bottom. We did grease the pan, I think I said that. All right, so we got it nice and smooth on the bottom. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take half of this bag of sharp cheddar, we're gonna put it, sprinkle it over. So I'm gonna pinch it right there. This is 1 cup of shredded cheese that we're doing on this layer. All right, just kind of spread it around. And then we're gonna take half of this bag of 6 ounces of pepperoni. And if you don't like pepperoni, you can leave this part out, or if you wanna try another type of meat. But you know, most pizza lovers like pepperoni, so this is the Pizza Lovers Casserole. So just kind of spread it out, about half the pepperonis. Okay, so we got a nice even layer of the pepperonis there. And we're gonna put the other layer on top of that. Okay. So now we're gonna take the rest of that cheese and just, the rest of the bag is gonna go over the top here. Just spread it, make sure it's nice and even. I did wash my hands, don't worry folks. I'm a sanitary man.
That looks pretty.
All right, and then we'll take the rest of these pepperonis and put them over the top. I personally am a meat lovers fan. I also love supreme pizza. What's y'all's favorite pizza? All right, so we got the oven preheated at 350. We're gonna take this over there and we're gonna put it in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. So we'll come back in 25 to 30 minutes, see how this guy's doing. Ooh, baby, look at this. Ooh, it smells like pizza too. That is wild.
That's perfect.
Man, I cannot wait to try this. All right, we're gonna let it cool down just for a second. I'll come back and try this. All right, let's give it a little try. Nice little bite. Now this is not gonna be the, you know, the tidiest thing. It's just tasty. All right, let's give this a try. Get a little pepperoni, get a little sausage. Come on, Pep. Let's give it a try.
Good?
That was really good.